I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your TCL top-load washing machine. First, load your clothes loosely into the drum, aiming for about 3/4 full to allow proper agitation. Distribute items evenly to maintain balance during the wash. Next, add your preferred detergent and fabric softener into their designated dispensers. This ensures they are released at the correct time for optimal cleaning and softening results, making your laundry routine simple and effective. Once your clothes are loaded, select the appropriate wash cycle for your garments, such as normal for everyday items or delicate for more fragile fabrics. Adjust the water temperature to cold, warm, or hot, always checking your clothing care labels. You can also choose additional rinse or spin options, which are particularly useful for heavily soiled loads or to ensure all detergent is thoroughly removed. With your settings chosen, simply press the Start/Pause button to begin the wash cycle. It's a good idea to briefly monitor the machine for any unusual noises or excessive vibrations, which might indicate an unbalanced load. If this happens, pause the machine and redistribute the clothes. Allow the cycle to complete fully before opening the lid and removing your freshly cleaned laundry. To keep your TCL washing machine performing its best, remember a few simple maintenance steps. Clean the lint filter after every few washes to prevent blockages and ensure efficient operation. Consider running a tub clean cycle monthly with a specialized cleaner to eliminate detergent buildup and keep the drum fresh. Finally, leave the lid slightly ajar after use to allow the interior to air dry, preventing mildew and odors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.